Good morning. I'm going to show you how to change this handle on this microwave. This one is a Kenmore Elite, but it is made by LG, so it goes with a lot of other ones. Here's the serial number, or the model number, 721-8601-301. And I'm making this video because I've seen other similar videos on YouTube, but not for this model. The reason why you may want to change the handle is it is a plastic handle with a foil over it, and if you have your microwave over your stove, what happens is the steam comes up and inevitably deteriorates this. This is our third handle, second replacement that's been put on. And it's really pretty simple to change this. At the very top, there's a screw. That's the first thing you should do, is take that screw off. And then there is this trim ring that goes around the microwave. To get the trim ring off, all you need to do is take a putty knife or scraper, whatever, and you're going to come in here or here and pry the little nubs, like right here. So that eventually this will pop off. Then there's a screw that goes in right there. You'll take that out, and using the same pry or a flat-bladed screwdriver, make it so that this is loose, so that you can get in to where my finger is a screw, a Phillips screw for the bottom of the handle. Release that, then reverse everything, put it back together, and that's it.